how to play games on YouTube. So on mobile, you're just going to tap on this navigation, and then you would usually see the playables tab right here. So among all of these tabs, you would usually see playables right here, and it will take you directly into the playables section or the playables tab where you can find a list of all games. So the feature is currently available in select regions and rolling out gradually to more accounts. Now, if it isn't showing in your YouTube account, what you can do instead is head over to your Safari, and then from here, just going to type in youtube.com, and then we're going to add a /playables, and then let's hope that there is available right there. Now, if nothing comes up or it says page not available, then it might not be available in your region just yet. So if playables isn't showing on your account yet, an alternative is YouTube's interactive videos. YouTube also has a dedicated gaming tab at youtube.com/gaming, which once again you can find by tapping on the compass right here at the top left corner of the screen, and then just tap on gaming. And then this is separate from playables, and this is where live gameplay, esports, and gaming channels are organized if you're looking for gaming content to watch rather than play. If you're interested, I've put the product link down in the description box below.